Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm gonna walk you through how to add a widget from Widgetsmith to your home screen. So to know more about this, you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get started. So as we know that Widgetsmith is an app which is used to create custom widgets for your iPhone's home screen, and it allows you to personalize your screen with widgets for things like calendar, events, time, weather, photos and more. We're giving your device a very unique look. Now to add a widget from Widgetsmith to your home screen, you just need to go to your app Widgetsmith, and from here you can just choose whichever medium you like you can choose from small. To create an widget, you just need to choose small, add small widgets, or add medium widgets, or add large widgets. So from here, if I select medium widgets, here is the option add medium widget, and click on here, and from here you can just customize it. Like you can customize your clock, calendar, photos and etc. And after customize it, you can just save the widget. Like here, from here choose the photo, and so here are the various options like widget, theme, photos, options, filter and many more. From here I will select the option photo. Here the option will be given to you like choose from photos or choose from file, or you can also drop photos here. So I will go with the option choose from photos, which is highlighted in color green. Click on that and you can just directly go to the option favorites. From here you can just choose your favorite photo. So if I choose this photo, this will directly go to the widgets, and here you can also choose the themes, and after customizing it you can just click on the option save, which is at the very top right, and this is saved in your widget. Now you just need to go to your iPhone home screen and enter to the JAGAL mode. To enter to the JAGAL mode, just need to press and hold the empty area of the screen until the icons start taking. So just tap here, and now here you can see your icons have started to jiggle, and now you're in JAGAL mode. Now you can just tap to the edit, which is at the very top right of the page, and here you can see the option add widgets. Click on the add widget, go to the add widget option and scroll it up, and go to the, you can just scroll it down and select the Widgetsmith app here, and after that here is the option like add widget, and choose the widget size. Like you can choose in small, medium or large. If I click the choose the medium widget, click on add widget, and this is your choose medium. So now you are done. Your photos has been edited or customized in your home screen of the app. Here also I have customized some of this in small, medium, like the time and the locations of mine. Here is one more photo that I have recently customized is, and here you can see in this home screens, and that's how you can just add widgets from your Widgetsmith to your home screen. So let me know if you need more help about this in our comment section below. That's it. Thank you for watching our video. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you.